and 40% peat or coco coir, fine. Listen, fill the pot, and bury the roots. Make sure it has good drainage. The point of the pot mix is that roots get a little air. Every time you water, as the water drains out the bottom, fresh materials pour down into the soil. It prevents moulds from forming and water from stagnating. Digging rose pot is the best. If it is pots, drainage must be good. If it is trenches in soil or raised beds, side retainers will be required. Coco peat is meant only for physical support. Nutrient supply and soil mitigation goes along with it, supplemented by foliar sprays. Roses undoubtedly need new flowers. If you have a passion for botany and love flowers, then make sure you have all those to-grow roses in your garden. Some newbie gardeners, including me, a few years ago used to think rose is one of the most difficult shrubs to grow. This is actually a misconception. Anybody can grow roses just like any other plant. All you have to do is follow some simple tips and tricks on how to grow roses correctly. Tips 1 by 1. 10. Bare root roses or container roses? You can purchase roses already potted in soil that's container roses or as dormant bare root plants. If you are a beginner, container roses is the best option, because they are easy to plant and they establish quickly. If you are planting bare root roses, which are commonly sold online, they need to have the roots soaked overnight in water or plants in the soil, and the roots must be kept always moist for the first few weeks after planting. 9. Repotting a newly bought rose plant. 8. Drainage and pot selection. 7. Potting mix. 6. Sunlight allocation. 5. Watering requirement. 4. Fertilizing. 3. Pest control. 2. Deadheading. 1. Pruning or trimming rose plants. Bonus tip for you.